Hello guys, so today we're going to no copyright. But anyways guys, we're going to playing I don't know. Wait. Anyways, so we're going to play jump Tower of Jump. And anyways, let's go speedrun. Let's go speedrun guys. Oops. No. Anyways. Oh my god guys. I think this is hard. I think it's easy guys. Anyways, we're going to play. Go. Stop lagging. Anyways. Oh what the heck? 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes now guys. Bro, what happened to my... What happened? Anyways guys, we're going to play Tower of Jump. Okay, it's already 2 minutes. I'm the call. Anyways, we're going to play. Yes. Wait. Bro, why do I keep lagging? Ang laggy.
How'd you get the gold?
Oh, okay. Anyways, it's so laggy. Oh no, that's unfair. But anyways, I need to add all. Anyways, I need to add all. Oh no, yes. Guys, like, subscribe. Oh wait, I can't add. Why does my game broke? Did my game broke?
Can I get to my...
But anyways, we're going to play the tower. Anyways, oh, this is winning room. Wait. Oh wait, I can jump easily. We need to jump easily, guys. This is winner.
Okay, you can get the pink.
Oh no, I fell. I lose. Wait, we're going to again. No, again. Wait. No. I fell. Oh my god, it's so hard.
Can I give?
Let me.
Oh my god.
Whoops. No, don't fall.
Okay.
Don't fall, guys. We're going to win. We're going to win, guys. Yes, I win. I win, guys. Guys, I win. Anyways, I'm going to go. Oh, anyways, it's so easy. Easy. Anyways, it's so easy. This is very easy, guys.
Can I sell
Oh.
my brain rot?
Congratulations. Like and subscribe. Anyways, why this my comment is very, very dumb. You all dumb, huh? That's okay, just kidding. Right? Stop being a dumb person, guys, okay? Don't be so rude, okay? You're just extremely rude, and I don't care. Anyways, I need to. Ah! I fell. I fell. Guys, I fell. Haha, she fell. You so good. Even I told you alone. Ah! Ah! Oh, here.
Should I sell my brain rot?
What the heck? I'll fall again.
Zoe, just join me.
Zoe! Puro Zoe. Zoe ka dyan. Zoe ka dyan. Bruh, it's not even important. Zoe! That is a bad word. Zoe ka dyan. Zoe! Zoe! Why? Why me? Balak ka. Ano? Wait. Zoe? Ano? Why does my cousin keep on hating me, guys? I really unfriending ito. Zoe ka dyan, I don't care. Anyways. Bro, I really hate that cousin now anymore. I'm just going to ignore. I don't care. No, stop na. Don't stop. Well, it was so weird. hate cousin na anymore. I hate, ano.
Okay.
It was classmate. It was classmate, not me. I'm getting, ano, angry, with you na.
I already ended the call. You can't talk to her now.
It was not me. It was Zoe. I'm really disappointing by you. I don't care. I'm just going to unfriending, ano, you na. Anyways, guys, ignore the haters. Ignore my, ano, hater cousin. Anyways, so, why this, my cousin is, ano, it was, ano, it was the classmate, not me, or I'm going to unfriending it. Guys, you just being rude, I guess. Just be grateful, okay? Just being very, very mad. But anyways, guys, goodbye. I'm disappointing them you.